Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mercury. Welcome to my channel. It's my daily vlog, so whatever I happen to be up to is what you're gonna see right here. And today, I am out on Long Island at a goat farm. So I am gonna get to pet and feed some goats. Oh, this is exciting. Let's go find the goats. When you're driving up the road, you can't miss this place because this giant drum that's painted to look like this pig is right up front here. So you cannot miss this goat farm. Just look for this pig drum and you will find the goats. They are right here. We have bottle return and grain container return. There are bottles of milk. We have goat milk. Bottles for the goats, they're 3 for $10. And then we're gonna feed the goats some milk. Here's a goat swarm. There's so many goats. I'm gonna feed the other goats. Here you go, little goat. It's so cute. They're like suck, 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 suck. I got this bottle and we're gonna give it to this goat. He says suck, 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 suck. Aww. Oh, okay, let your friend have some milk. You have to share the milk. Okay, we have to share. There's milk to go around. There's milk to go around. Those goats were like right in the front when you first walk in. There's all these goats. But I'm being told there's more goats in the back that tend to be a little more overlooked. And we want to make sure they get some milk too. So I saved some milk for the neglected goats in the back. Well, not neglected, but they get less attention. Let's go visit you. Hello. Hello. I was told you're a mother and a baby. Well, not you're the mother and those are your babies. Yeah, do you drink milk? You do like milk. You do like milk. There you go. Okay, we have to share the milk. You have to share. There's other goats. Okay, but let's see your babies. Let's see your babies. Look how cute your babies are. You did a good job. Yeah, you're doing a good job being a mommy. Good job being a goat mommy. I don't know. No, she does.
Probably needs a lick.
Hello. Hi! Hello. You are the sweetest little thing. I'm having a goat moment. I'm having a goat moment here. Hi. I'm coming, goats. And I got some milk. I'm coming. Oh, you want milk? There you go. Yeah. He's a thirsty goat. Aww. Do you need milk? Does your friend need milk? No, he doesn't need milk. Just you. Oh, your friend over here needs milk. Oh, we have to share. We have to share the bottle. Yeah, share. Sharing milk. Sharing. There's not a lot left. Not a lot left. I know. I'm very popular because I have the bottle. Oh, I think it's all done. It's all done. Uh-oh. They're upset that it's all done. I know. There's no more. I know you're trying to get the last little bit. There's no more in there. You have to let it go. You have to be like Elsa. Let it go. Let it go. There's no more. All done. Okay, we have procured little tubs of feed, and the goats are very well aware of this. I have a handful of feed, and we'll come to these goats right here. And now there's no feed. Okay. Look at that, 3 goats at once. They're like dancing. I see you cutting the line, coming for seconds. They figured out the system.
Yeah, they're quick.
Excuse me, cow, do you eat feed?
Some stinks too.
Do you eat feed? Oh. He's like, yeah, I like feed. Would you like to feed a cow?
I watched that Cole all the time. He's always eating cows.
There's a little more. You want more? No, you're done. You're done.
For you today?
He's a beautiful cow. Mom said you goats need some feed. There you go. No, you got, well, actually, you only got a little feed. Yeah, there we go. You stop being greedy. Hello. That's it. All done. All done. We got some chickens in here. Hello, chickens. Hello. Oh, hello, other chickens. Hello. How are you doing today? Yeah? That's fascinating. You don't say. I don't believe it. Yeah, it is a lovely day out. Not too cold, not too warm. It's quite nice. You're right. No, it's not a beach day. Not a beach day. Oh, you got some worms down there? What'd you find? Yep, I think it's time. I gotta go wash my hands because it is covered in feed. They also have a little shop where they have like jams and jellies and fruits and veggies. So they also have a little shop inside, and everything in here is on the honor system. They have this box, and you just put your payment in there. And they have like little pizza, and all of these items are in the cold cases. So over here, we have some sausage, some pot pies. All these different cheeses. Oh, look, they have yogurt, raspberry yogurt, strawberry yogurt. Oh, and a little cheese. They have some brie and Gouda, Danchengo. Look at this. Some nice goat cheeses here. Goat milk or cow milk, and some eggs. They also have some fresh pies, and then those are located right in this case right here. What a great experience this was, getting to feed all these goats, and I had a moment with the baby goats. It was so sweet. I felt like I really connected with those baby goats. And this is just a wonderful place. It's really calm. The goats are super friendly. They love their bottles. They love their feed. There's a cow. There's some chickens, pumpkins. There's a great little farm stand. So just a wonderful, wonderful experience. And, a great way to spend an afternoon. So with that, I'm done, and I will see you tomorrow. And until then, stay inspired by everyone. Take care.